Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to showcase how to use Crunch to create a word list. As you know, pen testing will involve so many kinds of word list, and such a word list can be used for something like directory enumeration, hash cracking, password cracking. So I think word list, of course, we can use some existing word list like second lists, something like Rockwell word list. However, very often we need to create custom word list based on your, some information what you have already got about the target. Okay, and generally speaking, there will be three different ways to create the word list. The first one is Q, and Q command is installed by default on any distribution of Linux. And this too can create a word list from the web pages. And the second one is Crunch, which will be topic of this video. And another one is Cube. This is a Python program, and this program can create a word list based on some knowledges about the target. And such knowledge can be got by interactive communication, okay, between you and the program. But today, I just focus on the second utility, Crunch. By default, Crunch is installed by the any distribution of Linux. However, if it's not, and then we can use this command or package manager to install. This process is very, very, very simple. I will not demonstrate this part. So I assume that we have already got Crunch ready on our Linux. So how to use it? And to get the usage or help, we can use the main Crunch. Of course, you also can go to the Google to make some search, but for me, I think the main command can give you more correct usage about Crunch, because sometimes the articles on the internet are not so accurate. Okay, so now we can press enter, and this would be the usage of the Crunch. We can specify the minimum length and also maximum length of the word of the password or word. Maybe password is not correct term for this case, the word. And also we can specify the character set, and also we can specify some options. For example, if you can scroll down, you can specify the, with the option of -B to specify the size of the output. So each file will contain the word list, which size is not larger than this number. Okay, but in the real engagement, this option would be very useful. But for CTF-like machines, I didn't use this option a lot. Okay, and also you can use the like the F option and L option, O option. I will not go through all options here in this video. I just like to showcase some major options. Okay, so now I'd like to quit. And for sometimes if you just the numbers or the length of the word, and then for example the length of the password is 3, so we can use this option 3. The first 3 specify the minimum length, and the second one is the maximum length, and we just and then we can output like a dict text, and then Crunch will create the word list, And also you can check by, this one, so even, the length is 3. So all possible characters like lowercase, uppercase, symbols, everything will be possible character. And, as you can see over here, this word list is a bit big. And this is the first basic usage. And sometimes you can know, for example, the password would be consist of like ABC rather than any other characters. So we can use this way to create the word list. So this would be the character set. And I think this time the word list would be much smaller. Okay. And but very often we next I'd like to show you a very important option, F. This option can specify the chasset, the file. Okay. And by default, and this file would be under this directory, share and crunch and crunch chasset. And there's some existing character sets. For example, you can choose like this one, the lowercase alphabet. We can copy, and we can use this one. We can crunch, and also the length is 3 or not. Word list, crunch, and chasset, and we can paste over here, and then we can also output to the dictionary. It's done. And also we can check how many words, a bit bigger, right? So this is, of course, you can use any other character set. And next I'd like to show you a very important usage by the option of -t. This one can specify, the type of the character. Okay, if we open up the menu of the crunch again and scroll down. For example, here the @ will means or stand for lowercase characters, and this one will represent uppercase. The percent will represent numbers. So when I do the CTF like machines, I use this option a lot. So for us, for example, we can copy and put over here. Next, we can, for example, crunch 55 and not F, the T. And for example, the first is maybe the first 2 digits. Okay? Yeah, digits and lowercase. For example, 3 lowercase, use this one, @ okay, and for example, and then followed by the uppercase. Okay, and we can also output to the same file name. Oh, sorry, there are 1 2 3 4 6. So I think my options are not compatible. Crunch 6, and we can copy and option. Okay. I think the word list is much bigger, and we can check by WC command. Yeah, very big. So I think so far you have already got I hope you can get to know how to use crunch to create a word list for different scenarios. So that's all I'd like to do in this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.